The response has been very good this evening. And also in the morning we're canvassing another area. So overall response, I'm going house to house, door to door, has been really good. Very satisfying.
केला अनाउन्स काँग्रेसीची किरण रावता TMCची आणि BJP एज यू आणि आप आसा सो विल दिस एफेक्ट यू फॉर अपकमिंग इलेक्शन?
Absolutely not. In fact, more the part is better it is. आमचे कोण आहात ते सपोर्टर्स, आमचे कार्यकर्ते, आमचे well wishers will always remain with me. Also, there are a lot of people who are supporting me as Grand Ticlo. For the last 10 years, everyone knows सगळ्यान पयलीं आमची कामां कितें केल्ली पळय ती आमचें कार्य आनी तशेंच my connect. So that's the reason I'm absolutely confident that the people will support me, and in 2022 on 10th of March it will be very clear.
All 6 seats for Congress from Bardez. So what do you like to say? आणि ताणें म्हटलं की आपण हल्दोनान कॅनवन्सिंग करून कार्लोस फेरेराक जिखोवपाक खूब ट्राय करतलो.
That is his prerogative.
Will that affect you?
It doesn't bother me. He can do what he wants to do. I'm doing my work and let him do what he has to do. He should more in fact take care of his own seat in Kalangut. Rather, he has taken the responsibility, so probably he's doing what he has to do. So that's not a worry for me at all. I'm confident that we will win all the Bardez seats. The BJP Bardez Janata Party will definitely make sure that most of the seats we get in Bardez this time under the BJP